I think I'm ready to go. Alright, this is 205 Blue Lake Road, and oh my god, we might have just found something pretty freaking rare.
Okay, there's no Phineas and Ferb elevator music this time. Is it what I think it is?
This is the ones that they... Oh! These are Lift-O-Matic. Oh my god. This is the rare one. 205 Blue Lake Road, elevator number 1. Oh my god, we might have just found a gem.
Oh my
Does it have the funny chime? Oh my god, it does. It has that too.
Here we are, B.
I hope this has a good motor. I mean, I don't care. These fixtures are awesome. They look like... These parts like ERM. That's what they feel like. Alright, motor.
Oh, that was a little plop. There's like a little bump.
It's a little bumpy. It's not that. It doesn't run awful.
And now it's back down to 1.
These buttons are so weird. I've never seen these in person. The only ones that I've ever seen on YouTube were the ones that Jim Lee Elevators filmed. This is the second. This is the second spotting with these fixtures. Probably the rarest Lift-O-Matic you could find. And this is on the same road as the 3rd gen CDCs.
Yeah, indicator glitch. It like did a hyperdrive down to 1. Looks like it got frozen somewhere. That's a rare find.
This big bump. Ooh, a little bouncy with the leveling.
Yeah.
These buttons are so weird. Yeah, like I said, I've never seen these in person.
Yeah.
That's probably like something I've always wanted to find, to be honest with you.
We just found.
I might have to show you like the other location with these fixtures.
Anyways, there goes, and that'll be it.